according to the superheat and subcooling charts, we are low on Freon, and this unit has leaked once before. I just filled it up in September of last year. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use this AC EasyDry and AC EasySeal to seal this up and add a Freon to the unit, and that should seal up any leaks that we got going on and not need to add any more Freon to it. So what we got here first is we'll hook up the dispensing unit to the can, and then we'll connect this to the low side. Get that up. Alright, so we connect up the can to the low side here. Alright, and before we actually puncture the can, we're going to bleed a little bit of that off here. So we're just going to bleed the air out, unscrew the can just a hair. Okay, that should bleed the hose. Well, now we tighten that back up, and we'll take the can, holding it upright as the arrows indicate. Now I'm going to puncture the can by tightening the knob here at the bottom. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we go. Felt it go through. Just tighten it a bit more. There it goes. And then we'll unscrew it. There it goes. Just give it a few minutes here to absorb the EasyDry. And then next step will be doing the EasySeal. Alright, so we got the EasyDry in, and now we're getting ready to allow the EasySeal in, but we're going to let the EasyDry run through the system for about 5 minutes while before we put the EasySeal in. But this is great stuff. NuCalgon product, EasyDry, to get all the air and moisture out of the air conditioning system first, which is what activates the EasySeal. So we put this in to clean up what's in there, what could have gotten in due to the leaks, and in about 5 minutes we'll apply the EasySeal in the same manner we did with the EasyDry, and then we'll check and add the Freon. Well, we've added the NuCalgon EasyDry and EasySeal, and we've hooked our line set back up, our hoses back up, the low side, getting a little bit better reading on the pressure temperature there. Still a little low, reading about 50 degrees, 50 pounds, which is about 26 degrees. We're at about 44 degrees, 42 degrees on the suction side. Now it's down to 40, and we just reached temperature inside, so we're going to cut it back on.
I don't wanna take the one thing right. Thank you.